Hi guys. In this video we will present to you SoundForge Audio Cleaning Lab. What is SoundForge Audio Cleaning Lab? Magic's Audio Cleaning Lab has a simple layout that is inviting. There are very few controls, menus and toolbars. The audio editing window sits atop your workspace with the transport in the middle and your file manager at the bottom. This audio editor presents itself cleanly and encourages the novice user with its simplified interface. The bottom left of the work window is where you will find the majority of the audio restoration tools within the audio editor. They are neatly broken down into 4 sections: import, cleaning, mastering and export. To test each audio editor's file compatibility, we imported a number of different audio file formats. This audio editing software was able to import all audio extensions that we used to test. We found that you can also convert your audio files to a number of different formats, except for AIFF and O. With a little extra equipment, such as a vinyl turntable converter or cassette converter, you can import vinyl and cassettes straight into this audio editing program. Under the Import section, tabs allow you to select the correct settings to upload CDs, vinyl and cassette audio recordings. Visit our site in description and get more info about SoundForge Audio Cleaning Lab.